Hey guys, Dashy T back again, and today we're going to be unboxing the Bose on-ear wireless headphones. Looking at the box, obviously the Bose logo on the front with the on-ear wireless. The side panels have the Bose logo as per usual, and the back, like if you've seen my other videos with the Sound Sport, gives a brief outline as to what these headphones are all about. Powerful sound, wire-free Bluetooth headphones. Okay, let's get to the unboxing. Okay, having removed the shrink wrap, the box slides out from the case in typical Bose fashion. And looks like we have a cover flap just here, a few instructions and maybe a bit of a quick start guide, which we might refer to a little later. A foam protection piece, obviously covering the headphones. There they are. And as per usual, Bose's packaging is second to none here. So if I can take the headphones out, there we go. And I'll remove them from the plastic case. They're very well placed. Nothing else in there. We'll come back to these headphones in just a moment. Okay, the carrying case, which we'll open up in just a second. Quick start guide and some manuals. I think warranty information as well. Back here also. So I put this aside for now. This is quite a thick document, obviously multiple languages. If we look at the carrying case first. Okay, slides out very easily, nicely protected once again. And I imagine you should have the extra cabling inside here. Yes, you do. Obviously, choosing the black model, you get a black micro USB charging cable and a black audio cable also to use the headphones in wired mode, which comes in very handy. Very thin cable, in fact. The case itself is quite simple, quite standard, but for travel purposes is a really good size. So you should be able to carry this around easily in most luggage cases or bags. Okay, the headphones. Very soft ear cups, very soft on the ears. The right ear cup has control buttons. Just here you can see volume up and down, and they are in fact well placed on the ear cup itself. And these controls are obviously outlined in the paperwork document that we saw earlier. The middle control button just here on the right ear cup. The middle control button allows you to skip tracks forwards and backwards, and also it works to answer phone calls. So if you are on the move and like to answer calls, you can do it via these headphones too. Now, also on the right headphone, under the Bluetooth button just here for pairing, you have the audio, or what Bose are calling the adaptive audio adjustment technology feature, which automatically changes volume based on speech level and ambient noise. So looking forward to see how well that works. From a folding point of view, they obviously stretch around the head, both ends, and the headphones folding quite comfortably as well. So I'll just tuck them up, and they're able to fold right around as well. So for storage purposes and to place these guys, as you can see, inside the carrying case. There you go. They're able to fit in very comfortably indeed. And obviously you've got a little pouch here for the cabling to go into the carry case also. So guys, there you have it. A very short unboxing of the Bose on-ear wireless headphones. If you are looking at getting a set, please check back, and I'll hopefully have a review up on the channel quite soon. And there's a quick unboxing. So once again, thanks for your time. Feel free to subscribe, ask any questions. If you don't mind, give me a thumbs up. It gives me a bit of motivation to go forward and make additional videos. So look forward to catching up with you guys soon. Dashy T, out.